Good day guys, in here. So today I'm going to show you how to model these ramps. Okay, so they are just normal ramp, and so you will see each ramp start from one level and then finish at up level, and also you can have some landing in this exercise. There will be floor. Okay, so let's do it. So first I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so go to elevation. So I'll just use AR array and just array maybe 10 of them, and then I'll just ungroup, select all SA and ungroup them. So now we have 11 levels. Okay, so now go back to floor level. So first let's click on this ramp length, and then let's have a look of this setting. So first base level, so this ramp will start from ground floor and finish at level 1. And also let's change the width, maybe 3 meter. Okay, and also go edit type. So let's have a look at this. So these are the two settings we need to adjust. So the first one is the maximum incline length. So this decides the maximum length for a ramp. So for example, for a disabled ramp in Australia, the maximum will be 12 meters. So after 12 meters, you need to have a landing. Okay, so but in this exercise, we're going to have a continuous ramp. So I'll just change this to 99 meter, 100 meter. And also this one, this is for slope, the maximum slope. So for this one, I'm not sure the maximum ramp, if that's a continuous, let's say 24 meter, 1 to 24. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so 1 to 24, let's say, and okay. So now use this. So click on this center and arc. Okay, so now you just need to click on click anywhere. So this will be the center of this ramp. Okay, so click here. So now if you look at here, so that's some gray color text. So it says 0 of inclined ramp created, 96 meter remaining. So which means we need to create a ramp start from ground level to level 1 with this specific slope. We need 96. Okay, so which means the perimeter, if we create a circle, the perimeter of this circle need to be 96. So, and now what we need to decide is the radius. So you will see we need to decide a radius. But so instead of use a calculator to do it, you can just simply type equal 96 divided by pi. Okay, pi, and divide by 2 because this is a radius. Okay, so and if you click enter, so now this is the radius. So now we can just move your cursor, so trying to go around this circle and stop here. You will see you won't be able to close it. You won't. So just click here, and then you can escape. Click on this blue line, which is ramp run, stair ramp sketch run. So click on this dot. Try to drag this close to the starting point. Okay, so you can drag this to very close, but not onto the starting point. I think this is as far as we can go. So here. Okay, so now if you click finish, now let's have a look in 3D view. So this is a ramp start from ground floor to level 1. So let me just delete this railing and have a look at this ramp. So it will not be perfect. So let's see if I do a level, so you will see it's 3998 No, it's 1.1 millimeter lower than actual level 1, but that should be enough. Okay, so now you can Control C, escape, modify, and then align to select level. You can select level 1, shift, level 10, okay. So now we have a continuous ramp, so from ground floor to wherever you like. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, so go back to ground floor, but this time instead of continue from end to end, we're going to add some landing, maybe floor, so in between. So let's say 5 meters of a flat floor. Okay, so let's create a similar CS again. So center and arc, click once, and 96. Okay, so if we add 5 meters, so let's say equals bracket 96 plus 5 meter bracket divided by pi divided by 2 and enter. So now this is it. So I'll just start from here and actually I'm not sure. Let's just click here and have a look over here. So you will see it tells you still 2180.6 remaining. So we just need to drag this a little bit. So I'm not sure actually where we need to stop. Maybe here. Let's have a look again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Looks like it's not quite right because, oh, hang on, did I just maybe I put in a wrong number. So when I try to put 5 meter, I actually, yeah, I think that's right. I put 500. Okay, so that's okay. I'll finish this one. Let's do it again. So CS this. Let's try again. Okay, so equals 9600. Oh, sorry, bracket plus 5 meter, so 30. Okay, so and divide by pi and divide by 2. Enter, and let's finish it here. So now see 0 remaining. So that's great. And finish this ramp. So let's go to 3D view. So this is the ramp. I'll just delete the railing. Okay, so now we can just go to level 1 and we can just create a floor. So actually, can we create a let me try see if we can create a landing for the ramp, but I'm not too sure. So I'll just copy one and see if we can just do something. Maybe not. Maybe, yeah. I don't think there's any option for us to create a landing between these two. That's fine. I'll just delete that and I'll create a floor. Okay, so floor, where's floor here, and pick line. I'll pick this, pick this, pick this, pick this. Okay, so let's just drag this back and drag this back, trim, 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 trim. So now this is a floor at level 1. Okay, so now we can just select these two and paste them onto upper levels. So now this is a ramp, but this time there will be a 5 meter long landing between them. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Okay, so bye.